How to turn off Ask Permission on App Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off Ask Permission on App Store. So let us just get started. First, what you'll need to do is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down. After you scroll down for a bit, you will see screen time option. Tap on screen time. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now here what you'll need to do is you'll need to turn on your content and privacy restrictions, and after you've done that you will need to go to iTunes and App Store purchases. Now here under the require password section, turn on don't require, and after you've done that you'll need to go back and go to your Apple ID account settings. After you're there, you will need to change your require password option to always require password to require after 15 minutes, and you're basically done. And that is how you turn off Ask Permission on App Store. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.